How to use PrizePicks. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can use PrizePicks. So for this, after creating your account and verifying your account, basically you have to verify your account, otherwise you won't be able to use it. So for that, make sure that you verify your email address, and also when you deposit the amount, you would be asked to provide your government ID, and you would be requiring a smartphone in order to do this verification, and it will take around 2 minutes or maybe around 5 minutes. After doing this verification, you will be able to add money in your PrizePicks account and deposit it. After that, just go to this section called board, and over here choose the game of your choice where you want to put the bets. Suppose you are going for the NBA, just select NBA, and when you scroll down, you will be able to find that there are different players over here. Now you can select as many players as you want, but for the minimum you need to select at least 2 players in order to place your entry. So suppose I want to select the first 2. I'm just showing it as an example and not the actual bets. So just select the first 2. Suppose I want both of them to be more. Basically I want them to perform better, so I will just select more and more for both of them. And you can also select less in case if you feel like that this player might not perform that well. So this way you would be able to choose different players. Just select them, and in this video let's take the example of just 2 players. And after choosing the players, you will be able to see that on the right hand side panel you will be able to find your players, and when you scroll down you will be able to find the option of payouts, and here it says power play, which basically means that all the 2 entries that we have selected must hit, which basically means that our prediction should be correct, and we will be getting 3 times the entry fee that we will be putting in this particular bet. And when we select more than 2, like we want to select this player also, but this player might not perform that well, so we will select less. And when we scroll down, you will be able to find the option of flex play also, which basically means that even if 2 of your players hit as per your predictions, then still you will be getting the money out of it, and one of your prediction might get wrong. So this is how it will appear. And entry fees is similar whether you select 2 players or the 3. Also, in case if you want to see the scoring chart, just simply click on this option of scoring chart over here. You will be able to find a scoring chart for all the games that are given over here. Just click on this option of scoring chart and wait for it to load. Now you will be able to see different point details for different actions. Like for points you will get 1 point, for rebound you will get 1.2 points, and this way every other action will be followed by fantasy score. So this is how you would be gathering different points in order to earn this particular reward, and this is how PrizePicks work. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.